So right now, I'm going to prove the formula that allows me to take the difference of two logarithms and combine it into a single logarithm. Now, the basis of my proof, I'm going to start off by assigning log base n of a value. And then I'm going to assign log base n of b a different value. So what I'm saying is that this symbol, log base n of a, or the exponent I put on n to get a, is a number, and I'm going to call that number x. And I'm going to call log base n of b, or more precisely, the exponent I put on n to get b, to be a value which we will call y. Now, according to my property or my definition of what a logarithm is, this first one, x, is the exponent I place on n to get the value a. And the second equation, y, is the exponent I place on n to get the value b. Now, I'm going to use some property of equations to generate my formula. I'm going to start off by using the property of division. And the property of division says I can take any object, and I'm going to take this object, n to the x equals a, and I'm going to divide both sides by the same amount. And what am I going to divide them by? I'm going to divide both sides by n to the y. However, notice on the right-hand side, instead of calling it n to the y equals b, so I can, instead of writing n to the y on both sides, on the right-hand side, I'm going to write b, because n to the y is b. Now, so at this point, I'm now going to apply my property of exponents. Notice, on the left-hand side, I have the same base in the numerator as I do in the denominator. My property of exponents says then I can take that one base and take the top exponent and subtract the bottom exponent. Now, at this point, I'm going to rewrite this statement using logarithms. Notice, x minus y is the exponent I place on an n to get the value a divided by b. So rewriting that as an exponent, then x minus y must equal log base n. The exponent I put on an n to get a over b. If we go back to the very original, what is it that we assign the value x? Well, notice x is originally assigned from log base n of a is the same as x, minus the y, which we assigned from getting log base n of b. Hence, I have proven the difference of two logs is equal to the log of the quotient a over b.